Hello guys, we did our project on Ellen. In our group we have Amanda, Josie, Wade, and myself, Brianna. A little background on Ellen. She was born on January 26, 1958 in Louisiana. She's a popular American comedian, television host, writer, actress, and producer. Her comedy career started in the early 1980s in small clubs and coffee houses. And in 1986, she also made an appearance on The Tonight Show starring Johnny Carson. Her first regular TV role was on the sitcom Open House. Although the show did not last long, she did not stop there. She appeared on some more shows and was often referred to as the female Seinfeld. Ellen became very popular after coming out as a lesbian on the Oprah Winfrey Show in 1997. Ellen returned to stand-up comedy after some struggles with her career, but she came back as a successful talk show host when she aired her daytime talk show, The Ellen DeGeneres Show.
And I'll be giving my personal perspective of Ellen. So I believe that Ellen is an extrovert due to the fact that she has the Ellen DeGeneres Show and she has been an actress before in Finding Nemo. Therefore, I believe this sort of openness has led her to be an extrovert that's very outgoing, open to others. But there is a time that she can be an introvert and have a darker side, alter ego, and all that. This is noticeable now with recent actions of alleged conduct that is negatory. This recent activity has changed my perspective. Because of this recent activity, I believe that she is definitely an introvert, likes to keep to herself, and is very demeaning to others, which raises a lot of questions by a lot of people, and has led her to be perceived by me as a cynical person, and I'm sure many others, due to this change in attitude. So, how is this relative to the common read? Well, both of my perspectives are relative to the common read because my initial perspective of just the overall outgoing style and very open attitude, extrovert like attitude is similar to Jay Butler herself, except in spite of that being treated negatively by some, Jade is also outgoing, very open. So they're both extroverts in a way, but also Jade does encounter some people who treat her very harshly and are cynical toward her, and this is relative to my viewpoint of Ellen having a new cynical side and going over to being an introvert.